In today's video, I'll be guiding you to download Content Warning on any PC or laptop. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open any web browser, and then once you're here, you now want to go to the search bar and type out Steam. So now, once you've typed out Steam, you want to make sure to find the official website for Steam, then go ahead and click on the first link you see that says Welcome to Steam. Then what you want to do is once you're here, you want to go to the top of your screen and make sure to click on Install Steam. So now, once you've installed your Steam, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go to the search bar and type out Content Warning. Now once you've located the game, you now want to go ahead and click on it. So now you can see the game is now literally on display onto your screen, and what you want to do is in order to play it, you now want to scroll down until you see Add to Cart, then you want to go ahead and click on it. Then you also want to make sure to click on View My Cart, and then all that's left for you to do now is to click on Continue to Payment. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to buy the game. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.